In this video, I would be showing you how to earn more than 2,000 Naira daily with instant withdrawal on this website with your mobile phone. This video is made specially for those who hasn't earned a single amount in the online field. Currently on the website I have more than 5,000 points, and 1,000 points on this website is equivalent to 700 Naira. So 5,720 points is equal to 4,000 Naira, which I would be making a live withdrawal as a proof to show how legit this platform is. So just watch the video carefully to the very end, because I would be showing you how you can as well leverage on this platform and start making free money for yourself without stress. As you saw in the screen, that I made a withdrawal of all my points on the website, so there is no limit to the amount of points you can withdraw. On my withdrawal order you can see that I have made it a successful withdrawal today, one of 5,000 and one of 2,000 today. And guys, I just received my payment in less than 15 seconds, and this their proof of payment. So watch the video carefully to the very end so you wouldn't miss importance detailed. So the name of the platform is M4U, meaning money for you, and first thing you do is to create an account. The link to this website is in this video description. Firstly, add your phone number to the first place. You enter a valid number, then your password, make it an easy one that you would not forget. Then re-enter your password in the third space also. The fourth space is the invitation code. It would be there automatically if you use my referral link, and when you register or sign up they give you free 200 points instantly. So let me log into my account and proceed on the video. So this is how your dashboard or home page looks like. With your mobile phone and WhatsApp account you can make massive money in the platform. So currently we have the WhatsApp message task. So I teach you how you can perform the WhatsApp message task. When I click on it, it would open this page. So this is a simple tasks. Here you gain points with the amount of WhatsApp you link to this website per hour. The earnings are of two types. We have the normal earnings, in which one account for 24 hours is 120 points, and the limited double earnings would be 240, and 10 active accounts link would be 2,400. The limited is current available right now, so you join and start earning. So let me teach you how you link your WhatsApp account to the platform. Click on enter phone numbers, then enter the number you want to use. After that you click on get code. A notification will pop up from WhatsApp, so you click on it and then confirm. Click on use with mobile data and then enter the code from the website. So that is how to link WhatsApp and perform the message tasks. So you will need to add multiple WhatsApp accounts to generate more revenue from the platform. So to add more accounts, go back to your WhatsApp. You then click on the three dot up, click on settings, and this follow. You click on the add account to create another WhatsApp ID. But currently you can add more than 2 IDs, so what you do is, after you link the WhatsApp number to the website and you also have added the second account, you then go to setting, click on account, and on that add account you will see remove account. Why I am seeing add is because I only created one ID. So when you create 2 account you will see the options, so remove it after linking the number to the website with its status being online. I hope you find the video helpful. If you have any questions you can ask in the comments sections, and there is a link to the platform Telegram group also in this video description, where you can join and ask questions from any of the group admin.